Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another dollar, guys. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, I'm just woke up. As you can see here. Guys, it's Monday 8. You know what I'm saying? 7:30. I'm just done taking a shower. You know what I'm saying? So it's time to work. This is time to work. So this is what I normally do every day. You know what I'm saying? After done taking a shower, I'm just gonna let them know, my team, that it's a new day. You know what I'm saying? They must wake up. You know what I'm saying? They must get ready for the day. You know what I'm saying? It's time to, chase the cash. You know what I'm saying? So first of all, I'm just gonna prepare my office. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna prepare my office to make sure it's clean. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's clean because I love my space. That's what I'm saying. So this is what I use to clean my, my computer and stuff. This is what I use. So just gonna clean my computers first because I wanna see them looking neat. You know what I'm saying? I wanna see them looking good. Feel me? Do you know the reason why, guys, I'm using two screens? I'm using two screens because I can drag one pair here, another pair here, another pair here in my computer, which means I can be able to see what's going on in three pairs at the same time. Let's say I just put the PGPY here, USD CAD here, gold here, so I can be able to see everything at the same time. So which is not easy to miss the opportunity when I'm on duty. You know what I'm saying? It's not easy. It's not easy to miss the opportunity when I'm on duty. So that's why I'm using three screens. I think I wanna get myself another two, so they can be like 5. You know what I'm saying? I love that. I really love that, and I love this one. Keeps your computer clean every single time. You know what I'm saying? So as I'm done here, guys, I'm just gonna look on the market right now. I'm just gonna enter the market since I'm done here. Let me show you one thing, guys. You see here? Yo, damn, what's going on? You see here? This is the reason why I always tell you, like, yo, guys, you must always have something that you're waiting for in the market. You feel me? Because you can't just enter the market and expect to sell the market at the same time or buying the market at the same time without predicting the market. So let me first just switch on my computers. Alright, yeah, what's going on? So now I'm in the market, you know what I'm saying? So now it's time to chase the market. You know what I'm saying? It's time to chase the market. So look at this. This is the pairs that are already right on the paper, because I saw that I'm just waiting for these pairs to get at my point, then I'll be able to take the opportunity. You know what I'm saying? And as you can see here, I keep these pairs on the screen. You know what I'm saying? As soon as they are ready to be taken, I'll send them to my team straight up. You know what I'm saying? I'll send to my team straight up. So now what I do, I'm just gonna be cheering. You know what I'm saying? Cheering, looking at the market. As soon as they get ready to be taken, I'm just gonna send them to my team straight up. You know what I'm saying? So as we speak, I'm about to take SD cat. You know what I'm saying? An SD cat is about to be taken right now because I'm watching. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, they're on my screen. You know what I'm saying? I'm watching them. As soon as they get ready, I'm just gonna send to my VIP members. You know what I'm saying? Then we start making money like that. So if you're not in a VIP group, make sure you take the seat inside. I'm working for you. You know what I'm saying? I'm just chilling, working for you. You're busy working, I'm busy chilling, working for you. You know what I'm saying? As soon as the market get ready, I just gonna send you the signal straight up, and you also started making money. We make this money together, and I say it's like that. So yeah. So right now I think I'm gonna send this signal to my team because it's ready. As we speak, guys, NSDJPY. I mean NSDJPY. Yes, it's ready to be taken. So the other one is GBP-AUD. You know what I'm saying? GBP-AUD is also about to do something, and the other one is GBP-JPY. I told you guys yesterday, and this is fun thing, guys. Yesterday, I analyzed GBP-JPY and I gave it to my Instagram members, and I gave it to my I don't know what's going on in my eye. Anyways, let me just do this. And then I give it to my Telegram team. To the free group on Telegram. But fun thing, guys, I fall to sleep. I woke up and the pay is already gone. Was already moved like 100 pips. I was like, damn, bro. I was the first person to find this pay, but others they made money, but I didn't make money. But anyway, it's fine. It's alright. I got a pullback right now, and I say I got a pullback. So let me wait for the pullback. As soon as the pullback get complete, then I'll take the opportunity with the pullback. There's always pullback in the market. There is always pullback. Doesn't matter the market left you, it's alright. Chill, don't follow the market. Relax. Wait for the pullback, then you're gonna enter with the pullback. But always remember proper risk management is everything. You know what I'm saying? Always remember use proper risk management, and this is how you use the proper risk management. I mean, if you're going to take a risk of 1, make sure you're going to make like 3. You take a risk of 30 pips, make sure you're going to make like starting from 60 pips to 90 pips up to 200. Sometimes I take like 1 to 5, 1 to 6. I mean, when I take a risk of 40 pips, I'm expecting to make like 200 pips. That's how I do it. That's the real proper risk management, right? So yeah, guys. So I want to start my day, guys. So I'll catch you guys later on. You know what I'm saying? Because I won't be recording the video when I'm working. So let me see you guys later on. So make sure you use the proper risk management. Make sure you're in the free Telegram group. Make sure you do the right things. And make sure you like this video, and Follow me on catch me on Instagram. That's it. Peace out.